Hi friends, it's Miss Pam from Lawrence Branch. I'm here today to show you how to make this a really cool bird feeder out of old K-cups. If your parents have one of those Keurig machines and they use K-cups, it's perfect. If they don't, I'm sure you know somebody that does. All you need is 3 of them. You need 3 popsicle sticks. I have the large ones. If you don't have the large ones, you can use the smaller ones. They work just fine. And then you need yarn. You need 4 pieces of yarn about 2 feet long. It doesn't matter if it's exactly 2 feet. A little longer is better than shorter. You just want to make sure that they're all the same size. Okay? And then you need scissors and glue. So, right, I have my 3 K-cups here. What you want to do is, see there's a hole at the bottom? You want to carefully, using scissors or a knife, you might want your parents to help you with this part, make the hole a little bigger. So you just stick the one end in, make the hole a little bigger. Because you want to be able to fit the yarn through it. Okay. Now, you want to take your 3 craft sticks and take the 3 pieces of yarn. I know I told you to cut 4. Right now we're going to use 3 of them. So what you need to do is fold it in half so you can get the center. Put it craft stick there, about 2 inches from the top, and you want to tie a double knot. Okay? You want to do that for the other 2. Alright, and then the last one. And again, it's important to try and get it as close to the center as possible. That's why I fold it in half and put the stick in the middle. Like that. Okay? Okay. There. Now you have, all 3 of them have the yarn in about the same place. So now what you want to do is you want to lay them down and you want to overlap them like that. Okay, and then you want to glue them. Make sure you do not glue any of the yarn. Okay? And have them sticking out just a little bit, overlapping. You don't want the 2 ends to go exactly together. So you see how I have it overlapping a little bit. And then do the same thing for this last one. Okay. Now, remember I told you to cut 4 pieces of yarn? What you're going to do with this last piece of yarn is you're going to carefully lift up your sticks, holding them together. See, it kind of looks like a Y. You want to take the piece you did not use yet, and you want to start wrapping it around the center. This will hold the center together. Again, make sure you do not get the other yarn mixed up into it. Okay. This will just help hold it together. If it's easier, you can use a different color yarn so you can see the difference in them. So it's up to you. Okay. All right, I think that's good. And you just want to tie it, make a little knot. So just a double knot so it doesn't come out. You don't want it to start falling apart when it's hanging outside. Okay. 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 Cut off the lip. So now you have your stick all secured, and you have, oops, you have your 3 pieces. Now, what you want to do, flip it upside down so the pieces are sticking up, and take one of your K-cups. You want to put the string through the bottom, so through the hole in the bottom. Like that. Okay, I'm going to do it to the other 2. This is why I said to make the holes a little bigger, because it's easier to pull the string through. It's better to try and keep them together, because then they go through together. And if it doesn't go through, maybe you have to make the hole a little bigger. All right, that one, and then the last one. Now, I'm going to take all the strings, so now you should have 6 strings, hold them up, push the K-cups down, and you want to tie a knot in the top for all 6 strings. Okay, there, now you have it. If you want, if you don't like how it flops around, you can use glue, and you could put glue at the bottom of the K-cup. And glue it to the stick. You should hold it. What I did with this, I did this yesterday to this one, and then I put a heavy book on it. That's why it's so secure. But it's, if you don't want to, you don't have to, because they're still on there. So they're not going to fall off. All you have to do now is fill it with birdseed and hang it outside, and then you can watch all the birds come visit. So pretty simple, and something to do instead of just throwing them away. Instead of just throwing them away, you can just reuse them, right? All right, I hope you guys enjoyed this, and I hope to see everyone soon. And now that we're open, you guys can come visit us. So check out on our website. We're open a few days a week. Check out for the hours, and I hope to see everyone soon. Bye.